Hey everybody, we're gonna mix it up. We always like to do good things. This is Tom Cook. He's a Orlando realtor. I've known this gentleman, realtor, I have to say it the right way.
That's right, long time.
I've known this guy a long time. He's kind of watched us grow up and watched the company build. He's here today to do a site tour and saw the article in Garden and Gun. He's like, wait a minute, I know that guy. And he's bringing some of his buddies, who's also, one of them's a customer, Mr. Webb. But anyways, we're gonna talk about this boat today. This boat is very special. So this is the new 17 that we've been working on. Here's another one getting ready to roll out the door. Tom, this one's really sweet looking. Yeah. F70, 14-degree dead rise. You got the powder-coated platform. You got the removable lean bar, the V-Marine push-pole holder on it. You have the Yeti bucket on this side because the customer has a backing plate on this side for a future trolling motor set up for the rear. The tie downs off of the trailer, the 3-in-1 transducer, the big giant rear hatch. And you could see that, yeah, so that's plumbed as a cooler. So yeah, you could use that as cooler, wet storage, dry storage. Great. This is a carbon package, by the way. Seat cushion bolted. This is our fat slimline seat cushion. You can have the bigger style, a split style, folding. I like this. This is actually only about 3 inches smaller than the Vantage one that we've been doing for years. Center console, jump seat, oversized cup holders, powder coated, black SeaDek, rod holders going forward and backwards, classic style V-Marines for all the guys that don't like the spool style. We got you covered, here you go. You got obviously the wet storage, dry storage cooler in the front. Casting platform go up front here. And by the way, the casting platform is going to be the Marquesa Marine. Hunter just kills it, knocks it out of the park. You'll be able to put it on the hatch, or you can put it actually in front of the hatch, and then you still have room for a trolling motor to be added later. That was one of the improvements that we made when we were designing this boat. And then you got the awesome blackout trailer, torsion axle, oversized jack standing winch, spare tire, mag wheels. And by the way, I said customer, but I need to be more transparent. This is actually Tomas, our factory rep. This is gonna be his demo. He's gonna have this all coming into the 25 year. This boat is gonna be seen everywhere at all the major fishing tournaments and shows. And I just wanna hit home real quick about the 17. I've talked about it for the last couple of months at ICAST, but everybody at home watching, I'm gonna make a bold statement. This is the best boat in its class among any other brand. I've never said that in 21 years. Seriously. I'm saying it now because I feel like we've come to a place after working hard for this many years, doing true R&D, and it's all in the running surface. And I want to give a special thanks out to Captain Tanner Siebert, who was behind this project. I want to give a shout out to Bosca Marine, Nick, Jack. I love you guys. You've been with us for a long time, and they just nail stuff. Adam, I want to give it to Adam Bertrand, my business partner, as well as the guys in the shop, because we all collectively looked at what the market needed, what we were missing in a gap or a lineup, and we applied it to this boat. So for everybody that's looking at some of the other brands in the 17 and 18 foot class, you seriously need to check this thing out. Tom, what do you think?
It looks awesome, Kevin. I'm waiting to take it out.
Well, we'll get you on the water on some redfish. So this is my Big Ben Steen Hatchie guy, Mosquito Lagoon. But it's always cool to have people that watch you over the years. I'm gonna say what, grow up?
Watch you grow, that's right. Whether it be family.
Y'all take care. See ya. Here's another Bad Mama Jamma leaving. See ya.